Drowning in debt? You've got two powerful weapons, the Snowball and the Avalanche. One attacks your emotions, the other your interest rates. Which one should you choose? In this quick guide, I'll explain both debt repayment strategies, how they work, and which one could help you get debt-free faster. Without a clear plan, debt can feel endless. High interest rates keep balances growing, and without focus, you end up paying more than you should. A structured method, like Snowball or Avalanche, gives you a roadmap and a finish line. The debt snowball focuses on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate, while making minimum payments on all others. Steps: list all debts from smallest to largest balance. Pay as much as possible toward the smallest debt. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next smallest debt, like a snowball getting bigger as it rolls downhill. The quick wins give you motivation and momentum, making it easier to stay consistent. The debt avalanche targets the highest interest rate debt first, saving you the most money in the long run. Steps: list all debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Pay extra toward the highest rate debt while making minimum payments on the rest. Once it's gone, move to the next highest rate. You pay less in interest, so you get out of debt faster mathematically, but it can feel slower at the start because early wins take longer. Choose Snowball if you need motivation from quick results. Choose Avalanche if you're disciplined and focused on saving the most money. Both work. The best plan is the one you'll stick to. You can even combine them. Start with Snowball for momentum, then switch to Avalanche for maximum savings. Not tracking spending. You can't free up extra money without knowing where it's going. Adding new debt. This resets your progress. Skipping an emergency fund. One unexpected expense can push you back into debt. Pick your strategy and start today. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll be debt-free. I've linked free debt payoff calculators in the description to help you plan your Snowball or Avalanche. Remember, the best method is the one you can stick to until the finish line. Don't forget to like, share, and follow our channel for financial content. Thank you for watching.